Welcome to CEPAM. Today we are going to look at how to calculate the angle of projection of a projectile when given the time of flight. So let's look at the demonstration of the parameters that we need. You have the angle of projection of the projectile not known. So we have this angle here, theta to the ground. So an object is projected. It can be a rocket, it can be a bullet, a projectile, it can be a cannonball that is fired into the air. So, and now the speed of the projectile, initial speed is 100 meters per second. Then let's fire it. We fire it and then it travels to land at the target. So, and we are given the time of flight to be 18.8 seconds. So from this information, we are going to calculate the angle of projection. That is, a cannonball is fired with the initial speed of 100 meters per second at an angle theta to the ground and having the time of flight of 18.8 seconds. What is the angle of projection? So that is a question we are going to solve here. Alright, so if we want to solve that, the direct way to get theta is equal to arc sine of time of flight multiplied by the strength of gravity divided by 2 multiplied by the initial speed of projection. So this is the direct, but let's use the direct formula for time of flight. So time of flight, t is equal to 2u sine theta over g. So we are looking for theta. So time of flight 18.8 equals to that. Put the parameter. Speed of projection is 100. Sine theta is what we don't look for. Sine theta. G is 10 given. So substitute there. So with that, multiply this out 200. So cross multiply this. So we have 18.8 times 10. Give me 200 sine theta. So now 18.8 times 10 will give me 88. Equals to 200 sine theta. So let's make sine theta subject of formula. So divide 188 by 200. That will give me 0.94. So the sine of an angle is equal to 0.94. So what is the angle? Which sine is that? So you get the arc sine. So arc sine will now be arc sine of 0.94 is equal to 70.1 degree. So that is how you get the angle of projection. So now let's go to your turn question. I want you to be part of whether you understand what I've explained. Your turn question. A cannonball fired with the initial speed of 50 meters per second at the angle of theta to the ground has the time of flight of 7.07 seconds. Calculate the value of theta. Action point. If you understand the example discussed above by Mr. Matthew, work out this your turn question and type your answer in the comment section. I want to see the first student to do that. Congratulations. The next video in this series is going to be how to calculate the maximum height of a projectile. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. Peace.